Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn a regular photo to become the stunning photo studio style. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can install this CapCut first, and don't worry because this CapCut can be also installed into your Android or the iOS phone or even the PC guys. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email to get more chance to try this a lot of features. And this is the look of the home page of the CapCut that I am accessing with my Android phone. And since we would like to transform our picture to be the photo studio style, here I will choose the template here, and on the searching section I will type or put the keyword here, photo studio. And after that you will see a lot of style of this photo studio. They are very beautiful and also look very professional. And for example, you can also choose which one that is your favorite. And for example, I will choose this template because it is very beautiful. And as you can see that the photo studio is not only wearing the tidy and also make it into the professional suit, but also it is playing the lining like this guys. And actually that this template will give you two chances to generate the picture into this style, but since I have tried this effect before, so I have one left now. So I will continue to click use template here, and after that you can continue to select a picture until the picture is uploaded here, and click next, and kindly wait for the generation process. And also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. Kindly wait for the process guys. And after waiting for maybe 1 minute until 3 minutes, so the transformation is ready, and let's watch the result guys. Okay, so that is the result. As you can see, this picture has changed to become the professional photo studio, and I'm in love with this lighting effect. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this template. And if you would like to download this video, then you can simply click export and click export again. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.